Namaste everyone.
Welcome to SSD Media, Science, Sports and Cinema.
This is Bharat Krishna.
This is Sarath Chandra.
Today we have a special guest at our office.
Do you want to know what it is?
Do you really want to know?
Let's get inside. Guys, let's get inside. Samsung Portable SSD T7 Touch. And it is fingerprint protected and has a capacity of 500 GB. Guys, it supports to Windows, Mac and Android. It means you can connect this SSD to your mobile devices too. Okay, let's check the contents inside. And it is portable T7 Touch. It supports USB 3.2 USB Type-C to Type-A. USB Type-C to Type-C cable. This cable supports USB 3.2 Generation 2 and it has a speed of 10 Gbps. Okay, yeah, let's check this MRP. It is marked at 16,999. Okay, let's unbox it today.
Do you know what really special about this product? This is equal to the size of your debit card. You can check the dimensions. 85 mm, 57 mm and only a thickness of 8 mm. It has speeds up to 1050 Mbps and has the motion LED detection. It comes with AES 256-bit hardware encryption technology. Product. Now we will see what's inside this product. Wow. It really comes in a beautiful case. We can see how beautiful they have arranged it. Let's check our device. Let's compare this one with our credit card. Wow, it is smaller than our credit card. Easy to handle.
Do you know what's behind this? Samsung T7 Touch SSD. If you compare this to your debit or credit card, it's exactly to the size of the card. It is very portable, very portable. You can carry it in your pocket. You can take it anywhere. You can use this device to your mobile phone too. Don't worry if you have a thought of using SD card. You know that memory cards can crash. But this device, no. It comes. Okay. You can keep this in your pocket too. Very portable. Let's see. How does it fit in our pocket? Okay. Come on. Here I have a timepiece pocket in my jeans. I will try to put this device in my pocket. Let's see. Oh, oh my god. It is very portable. No one can detect this device. I can go to anywhere normally. No one can detect this device. It is very portable and comfortable to carry it anywhere. Okay, let's see what we get inside the box. Oh. This is Type-C to A cable. Okay. This is Type-C port and this is your USB port. You can add this to your mobile phone and connect this device to PC with the help of this USB port. Next we have Type-C to Type-C port. Here we can connect this Type-C port to this device And from this side too, we can connect this port to your mobile phone too. Very helpful. Okay, and very easy to carry, very portable. Yeah, that's all it is. Samsung portable SSD T7 touch, very comfortable, and capacity of 500 GB. Okay, yeah.
This is fingerprint sensor. With this we will get ultimate protection. This is charging port. That's it. Let's check how it will connect with phone using type C to type C cable. See how it is easily connected. Samsung portable SSD. Space for complete review.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon.